We decided to go with a Morton due to their reputation for quality, pricing, construction advice, their design team. They just have a very good reputation for being able to provide a complete, full package from the design to us moving in. As a family, being in a family business, we had talked for about a year about the need for a new office. We'd outgrown the one we were in, so we began a search, looked at, we're in the construction business, started looking and comparing buildings, type of buildings, looking at timelines from the time we decided, what we wanted to go with, how fast that the building could be engineered, materials purchased, and it being constructed. So in that year's time, we basically narrowed everything down, and Morton Buildings basically fit every need we needed.
We love our Morton building because it offers a lot of versatility. We had a lot of choices, and we still have a lot of options to grow as our company grows. It's a really good feeling to know that when we hand the business down to the grandchildren, that this building is going to last and be a great facility for them to grow into. When you drive up to our new Morton building, you'll come into a double set of glass doors, which is really nice. We didn't have that before in our old facility. It really helps keep the temperature and the cold out with the second set of double doors. You enter into a beautiful Hickory Foyer and reception area. It has black marble granite on the countertop. We have 2 sets of restrooms, which we also did not have before in our other facility, which is great. We have a main office area that has 4 cubicles in it. It has all of our plan cubicles. It has all of the main working area that most offices would have. We have an office manager office and a controller office. We have a general manager's office, and we have 4 estimator project managers. All of the offices are exterior walls, so they all have very nice windows, great lighting, and we've decorated them to really add to the decor.
That open room, at first we couldn't decide exactly how and what we wanted to do in there. That's why it remained open. Has definitely worked out in our benefit to leave it open and go with the cubicle options. The Morton building, the building design and truss us to be able to allow that with no columns in there, gave us that open design, which we definitely like. We're not limited in our arrangement. We have multiple arrangements, and we can provide our employees in there.
Our office space is very nice, and what's really nice about it is everything it's kind of at your fingertips. Whether you need to go to the copier, if you need to go to the fax machine. Before in our old building, we were kind of spread out based on an addition of 3 offices that we had for our estimators and project managers. They had to walk through past the president's office, out through a couple double doors to get to the fax machine and the copier and to the plotter and the scanner. So this is all right here at your fingertips. It's very useful and just a really nice setup. We have a huge break room, which gets mentioned all the time when people come through. When delivery guys are dropping things off, they're like, wow, we wish we had a break room like this. Part of our break room is also where our employees come, where our plumbers and their superintendents come every morning and every evening. They go through all the plans. That's also doubles as a plan room. We go through the bids. We work on the projects out there. There are 2 large drafting tables out there, quite large, 4 people can work at them, with quite a few plan holes. We also have what we're calling a training room right now, but it can be made into 3 offices down the road, again on an exterior corner of the building with a lot of light, probably 2 to 4 windows per office if those are developed into offices in the future.
Moving from there, you walk through the door into our 14,000 square foot warehouse area. In here, the front bay, we use the bay doors for shipping and receiving. Our jobs are organized by our warehouse managers, so when the guys come in for their pickups, it's organized, loaded with a fork truck, and away they go. We have a very large shelving units for all of our stock inventory items. We inventory everything from a 1/4-inch brass bolt all the way up through 48-inch ductile iron pipe. One of the best things that we like about our shop here is that it's a 14,000 square foot facility with in-floor heat. We do heat it all winter long. In the mornings, especially early in the mornings between 5 and 6 a.m., the guys are in here, 25 guys loading trucks, the doors are up and down. And with the energy package we chose, the doors that we chose, and all the insulation that we put in here, it is able to maintain a great temperature. Energy efficiency is very important. We came from a 9,000 square foot facility into a 25,000 square foot facility. And with Morton Buildings insulation package and all the energy improvement efforts that we put into this, we have realized a 32% savings. It's a very nice, tight facility. I mean, Morton Buildings had everything all the way from the insulation, the tin, the foundation, through the garage doors. I like the size of the building. It's a massive building, but yet it looks so beautiful. You come over an overpass, so now you're elevated above the facility, and it looks like it's a sprawling complex, and everything flows together. The roof line, the brick lines, the transition from the high roof to the low roof, the transition from running east-west to north-south, how everything ties together. Everything looks very streamlined, very professional, nothing's chopped up. It just has a very, very smooth flowing feel to it. What it's definitely done is allowed us to combine multiple warehouses into one. With the economy, a lot of inventory, supply houses have backed off on the amount of material they inventory. We are a design build company, do a lot of stuff fast track. By having the added extra warehouse area, it's allowed us to be able to buy in bulk, capture large discounts, be able to warehouse it in a central location with our office, allows our project managers to coordinate with the deliveries with the warehouse staff, allows the superintendents and foremen on our projects to be all team members, from estimating, project management, warehousing, and our field staff, all to be located in one central area. So it's reduced travel time, it's reduced simple time for meetings, because everyone is housed in one central area. When their design team and sales team came in, they definitely had the support staff. They were familiar with everything we wanted to do. They had an answer for every question we had, and they brought a lot to the table. In doing our research, we thought we had a pretty tight scope of work. They were familiar with everything we wanted, and then also brought a lot of value engineering and value-added ideas to that. And when it wasn't just, well, you want this is what we're going to give you, they also took our ideas, expanded upon it, and felt they improved the product from what we originally went in asking for.
I think GA Rich is extremely pleased with Morton Buildings. They've built a very quality product. We're extremely happy to be in our new facility. They offered us a lot of options. We were able to go and look at another facility that was similar to this prior to starting construction, and we are just really pleased with Morton Buildings.